Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Welcome back to GPT Bard Academy, the channel where we explore the wonders of using AI. Today we're talking about something really special, ChatGPT, an incredible AI tool developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT-4 architecture. So, what is ChatGPT? Well, it's an advanced language model that can understand, generate, and even translate code in multiple programming languages. It's capable of answering basic coding questions and assisting you in writing or understanding code snippets. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's say you have a Python code snippet, and you want to convert it to JavaScript. You can simply ask ChatGPT to do the translation for you. For example, we ask ChatGPT to translate this to JavaScript, and voila! Just like magic, it's translated. Keep in mind that the translation might not always be perfect, but it's an excellent starting point for most code snippets. Now let's see how ChatGPT can help with basic coding questions. Let's say you're stuck on how to reverse a string in Python. You can just ask ChatGPT and it provides a solution like this. It's that easy. ChatGPT can be a great tool for beginners learning to code or even experienced programmers looking for a quick reference. Keep in mind, ChatGPT is not perfect. It might occasionally provide incorrect or suboptimal solutions, so always double-check the output before implementing it in your projects. However, it's still an incredibly powerful tool that can save you time and help you learn new programming languages. That's it for today, folks. Give ChatGPT a try and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content on AI.